So another thing we need to set up in our store is our shipping settings. So otherwise people can't order anything if we're not shipping to them. So if we go down to settings at the bottom here, click on it and go to shipping, you can see that there's all these different options. And if we click on this first one, general shipping rates, and hit manage rates, it will take us to these shipping zones that we ship to. Now, I'm going to start from scratch and I'm just going to delete these zones. So let's delete. You could just click on these bubbles here and delete. Okay, now I have no shipping zones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new shipping zone. Now this is just for you to know. So this is my United States shipping zone. And this is the country this zone is going to be. So just to make it simple, I'm only going to ship to the United States. So let's type in United States, and you could just check this box. If you didn't want to ship to certain areas in the United States, you can uncheck them. But let's just ship to all of the United States and hit done. Now we have this shipping zone set up. So what we need to do is add rates for this zone. So let's go ahead and hit add shipping rates. And we're going to set our own shipping rates. So we're going to add conditions here. And you can either ship based on your item's weight, so if it's heavy or light, or you can ship based on the price of your order. I'm going to make this really simple, and I'm going to make my shipping based on order price. And I'm going to make any order that a customer orders, any order that's over $50, I'm going to make it free shipping. Other than that, if it's under $50, I'm just going to set a base shipping price of, let's say, $4.97 or $6.95. It could be whatever we want. Let's do $6.95 for the example. So we're going to do based on order price, and the maximum amount it could be is $49.99. And the minimum is 0. This is what the customer is going to see when they're checking out, when they select their shipping settings. So we'll just do standard, we'll just call it standard shipping. And then the price will be $6.95. So what this is saying is if their order is $49.99 or under, it's going to charge them $6.95 in shipping. And we're going to hit done. And then we're going to hit add a new rate, because we need everything above $49.99 to be free shipping. So we're going to hit add new rate. We're going to do free shipping over, let's see, free shipping, and we'll do orders over 50. Okay, so this is what the customer is going to see. They'll feel a little bit special here. Let's add a condition, go to price, and now the minimum price will be $50. So now everything above $50 is going to charge them 0. They can select free shipping, orders over $50. And hit done, and then hit save. Now I'm not going to set up any other countries, but that's more or less how the shipping works. We're going to hit save, and we're done with our shipping settings.